Hi, so this is Nargis Nahar, and she is sitting alone in her classroom because all her classmates have got married during the COVID-19 era. And also, a study from the Business Standard shows a 38% dropout rate in secondary education, and also 80% study hours have been declined for the students. But on the other hand, the internet users of Bangladesh have been growing pretty rapidly. And as for the students, 56% of the students have selected online education as the most effective means of teaching. And so we can say that students connected to distant learning have been increased. So with that notion, we have our first big idea, Lipton Pathshala. So here in the Lipton tea box, there will be a certain QR code, and scanning which students can get into our Lipton Pathshala website. In that website, we will have free lessons for different courses for all level of students. And also, accessing to the quizzes of different courses, the students will get U points which they can redeem later. And also, we will be reconnecting the dropout students through the volunteering organizations.
Because of the onset of post-pandemic, the outdoor activities haven't been being regular. This infograph shows that why people are working out less, and among them 82% of people have agreed to the unavailability of parks and fitness locations. On the other hand, people are being more conscious about their health, and these infographics demonstrates that people are more interested in visiting healthcare and health information related websites. So with that, we come up with our second big idea, Lipton Sustho Thaki. In the Lipton tea box, people can access our Lipton Sustho Thaki website with the QR code, where people can get free workout videos for different ages of people. Also, by using the U points and redeeming them, people can get customized live telemedicine tips from the experts.
During the pandemic period, people have developed a very good habit of relying on hygiene products for their personal hygiene reason. But as the pandemic is going down day by day and the COVID cases are reducing, people are very reluctant to use these hygiene products. So we in Lipton, as believe in healthy living commonplace, we will try to bring this habit and revive this habit through our next and the final campaign, our third big idea, Lipton Notun Prithibi. From now, the users, by deploying or by returning the empty packet of Lipton to the store, will receive a mask. Not only that, by giving back 5 empty packets of Lipton tea bag, they will receive a mini Lifebuoy hand sanitizer. And as we can see, in the pandemic period, people have developed a very good habit of using e-commerce sites more than ever. So as we have discussed in the previous ideas, there was a QR code. So no matter what facilities they are using, this QR code will give users U points. These U points can be used to redeem in U shops and other e-commerce sites like Learning Bangladesh, online learning platform, and also many health and medical facilities websites. Thus, we will encourage our users to cling to this good habit. So we can say in the conclusion that through these big ideas, we can make our Bangladesh a very big and also a healthy living commonplace with the help of Lipton, and also though these campaigns will make a very sustainable business platform. Thank you everyone.